Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video right here on Solana. We're back with a Solana video. It's been a couple of days here that we covered Solana, but there's been a lot going on, right? So there's a lot that I had to cover. But in this video, we're going to do a full update on Solana, and I also think we're in time because at this point of time we are at a major resistance level, but we actually had some beautiful momentum coming in over the course of late yesterday. Or kind of the US session yesterday, right? And then also over the course of this this Asian session, or at least at the end, we've seen some new momentum coming in. So that's great. So that's what we're going to do a full update on right now. Now, one of the key reasons why I haven't been able to cover Solana as much as I perhaps would have liked, and which is also relevant for the price, is the fact that it has been it has kind of been covered by Ethereum. Ethereum has been incredibly strong, and we've seen this before, right? And this was the other way around in 2024. 2024, Solana was the main coin that did very, very well. And Ethereum, let's be honest, the price action was very, very bad. So at this point of time, you can see that, that's the other way around, where Ethereum is rallying much, much higher, and Solana is not even at the highs, not even at the value area high of the price action we had right here in May. So the question is, well, is that changing right now? And I think that's a difficult question to answer. I would argue no. If we take a look at the fundamentals for Solana, look, I've always said that this Solana ETF is actually, long term, that's amazing. And long term, that actually means, in my opinion, that we can see something similar happening potentially in 2026 with Solana outperforming Ethereum again. But at this point in time, it's not Solana's market. I mean, the TVL is fine, but it's growing, so that's great. DEX trading volumes are growing, so that's great. So the fundamentals are not bad, but the fundamentals are definitely worse than Ethereum at this point of time. And then technically we're underperforming as well. Now, the main thing that we spoke about in the last video, and I think the technicals matter a little bit more with Solana right now, and I'll tell you why. Last time what we spoke about is that we needed to hold this level around 160 and 162 if we wanted to get bullish continuation up to the yearly rolling VWAP, which price target has been reached. But then afterwards also the value area high at $180. You can see we held that, right? So this is good news, right? You have a range. We broke above that range. We were able to hold balance on top of the range, and now we're rallying. Now, what I like even more is that we have a lot of volume coming in. All right, so volume like this means that there's that there's a lot of buyers. So that means that finally we're getting some real momentum into Solana. I think of course we've had a lot of real momentum coming into Solana, but some recent bullish momentum. I think we're also getting on the lower time frames, we got a very good reaction to the single print we left yesterday afternoon. We got a big move up. We left some imbalances. You can see we got a beautiful reaction to that right here. So short term, can we actually pull back again? Like, can we feel some imbalances lower? Yeah, it's a possibility, but ultimately, fundamentally, that's always a possibility. But for now, I think it's most likely. We're going up to that price target right here towards 180 and 185. And then once we get there, do I think we can break out? Yes, with the volume we've seen, I think we can break out, and I think we can get into the 200s again. Would I bet my money on that at this point of time? Though, when the market is full of coins that are doing absolutely amazing. I mean, take a look at this, for example. No. Solana and the Solana ecosystem at this point of time, except for meme coins on Solana are absolutely crushing it. But Solana ecosystem, so Solana, Jito, Jupiter, etc., is not my focus at this point in time. But yeah, I mean, it does look good technically to go higher. So I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.